Hey everyone, today we are going to solve a medium level question on linked list. So the question is max number of k sum pairs. The question is given as you are given an integer array nums and an integer k. In one operation you can pick two numbers from the array whose sum equals k and remove them from the array. Return the maximum number of operations you can perform on the array. Let's see example 1. The nums array is given as 1, 2, 3, 4 and k is given as 5. So we have to find such pair in this array whose sum is equal to 5. So the pairs are 1, 4 and 3, 2. So these pairs are equal to the sum 5. So the answer is 2. And we don't have to take duplicate elements. Let's see example 2. The nums array is given as 3, 1, 3, 4, 3 and k is equal to 6. So we have to find such pairs whose sum is equal to 6 and the pair is only one, that is 3, 3, as we don't have to take duplicate elements. And these are some of the constraints given. So let's jump into the explanation part. Suppose I'll take the question example only 1, 2, 3 and 4 and k is given as 5. So what we will do, we will take two pointers. First pointer which will point to the first element of the array and one last pointer which will point to the last element of the array. And then what we will do, we will take a counter variable to 0 to count the pairs whose sum is equal to k. Now what we will do, we will move this first pointer to forward and last pointer to backward, and we will check while doing this. As in the first comparison only we are having this pair 4, 1, so we will increment the count as 1. And now we will move this pointer to forward and backward respectively. The first will move to 2 and last will move to 3. So these are also one pair. So the count will be increased to 2. Now they will move again. But now what will happen? The first will be greater than last. And this condition is false. That is, we have to break this loop. When first is greater than last, then we have to break the loop. Now let's code it. We will take two variables, first and last. And then what we will do, we will sort the array because the random numbers are given. It is unsorted array, and if we sort the array, our question will become easy to traverse. So we will sort the array. And now we will check the condition. While first is less than last, then only we will traverse the array. And we will check if nums of first plus nums of last is equal to k. Then what we will do, we will increment the count. I forgot to take the count. Then we will increment the count. And then what we will do, we will increment plus so that it moves to the next element. And we will decrement the last. And then another condition we will check. Else if nums of first plus nums of last is less than k, then we will increment the first, and else if the another condition nums of first plus nums of last is greater than k, then we will decrement the last pointer. And then simply what we will do, we will return the count. Let's run it. See, the solution is accepted. So this was the solution for this problem. Max number of k-pair sums. Thank you.